Hi, my name is Simon Deragije. Came from Africa in a part of called Burundi. When I came in the United States in 2008, I had a job at the State House of Rhode Island, worked there as housekeeping. From there, I had some personal issues. If you don't mind, I can share that with you. I had hernia surgery. After I had that hernia surgery, I couldn't go back to my odd job. A friend of mine told me about Favi. I started working at Favi in 2011, March 7. When I started working at Favi, I was working there as a part-time employee, working outside, receiving and counting a basket. My supervisor liked my performance, promoted me into the full-time job as a soy salt. From soy salt into the wash aisle. From wash aisle, promoted me into mechanic helper. Mechanic helper, I did excellent job. Where my supervisor liked my performance, promoted me into the lead. From a lead into the supervisor position, I did an excellent job. From the supervisor position into the assistant plant manager. I've been assistant plant manager since 2016. From there, they promoted me into mechanic manager. I've been working for them since 2011 up to now. I love Favi. Favi is really good company. Has a lot of potential for the one who are willing to work with them. Favi promote in. They're also willing to work with anyone who's willing to work with them. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you.